Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the text typing in CapCut PC easily. So for example, I'm going to select my video and then I'm going to add text, select the bold text and export the duration in the same link and change export text. Change export text. Can resize. Alright, just for the position and how you can create the text typing, just go to animation and then select in animation and just select this typing cursor or other. Alright, I'm going to select this typing cursor. You can set the type 1, type 2, type 3. Yeah, right. Select this one. This is Pro effect. You have to join properties to be able to use this effect. Alright, and you can adjust for the duration. Alright, go. And you can also add the audio. Just click zone effect and just type for typing. Right. Sorry. Alright. So this is the final effect you have on your video. Yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.